We interrupt our regular programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Michigan State Police Department. The Michigan Center for Disease Control has released information on an unidentified virus outbreak in western Michigan. Symptoms include high fever, head or bodily aches, and vomiting. Citizens are advised to stay indoors in order to lower the risk of the infection spreading. Hospitals are reporting hundreds of patients being admitted with similar symptoms, with larger amounts joining by the hour. I repeat, citizens are advised to stay indoors in order to lower the risk of the infection spreading. Please stay tuned. This is WBFX 101.3. We will now continue our regularly scheduled programming.